This trick is called flips, and it looks like this. Now flips, they're really the opposite of a loop, and just like looping is easiest to do with a thinner yo-yo, flips are a lot easier to do with a wider yo-yo, which is why I'm using the Luminator. And just like looping, which is just one motion, continually repeated over and over again, flips are different in that it's two different motions, and they're going to be opposite to each other. And so you're going to do one flip up and then down. Or if you're doing it down towards the ground, it's going to be forward and then backward, and that's what makes the flip different from the loop. And so as you're learning your flips, there's a real easy way to tell whether you're supposed to do a forward flip or a reverse flip, and so I'll show you that right now. Whenever the yo-yo winds back up the string is either going to be towards the front of the yo-yo or it's going to be towards the back of the yo-yo. And so your flip is always going to go in the opposite direction as the string is winding up the yo-yo. And so if the string is coming up on the front side of the yo-yo, your flip is going to come towards the back. And the same thing's true when the string is coming up the back side of the yo-yo, your flip is going to go over towards the front. Now if you do a flip, if you're trying to do a flip and you go on the same side as the string is coming up the yo-yo, it's not going to end up being a flip, it's going to end up being more of a loop. And so like I said, it's kind of the opposite of a loop because the flip is always in the opposite direction. And so when you're first learning how to do your flips, you can start off doing them the way that I already showed you, which is throwing it down towards the ground, and you can do your flips front and back. You can also do them straight ahead like you saw me doing earlier. That's a lot more challenging. So when you're trying to perfect your flips, what you're going to find is that they're a lot easier to do if you always keep your yo-yo finger completely perpendicular to the yo-yo. And so as you see me do my flips, I'm always kind of keeping my wrist bent a little bit, and I'm always trying to keep that finger straight out so that it's perpendicular to the motion of the yo-yo. And the second thing, if you want your flips to be straight, you want to line up the string on your yo-yo finger exactly with the groove of the yo-yo. And that'll make sure that your flips are always coming off straight and you're always pushing them out the right way. So like I said, it's easier to learn them down on the ground at first, and eventually once you get better at them, you can start pushing them up a little bit, and that's the flip.